Hello guys, welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ike hangs out with Tacha on Christmas Day after he unfollowed Messi. Yesterday, Messi and Ike unfollowed each other on Instagram. Minutes later, Ike shared a selfie of himself with Tacha in his Instagram story. Rumors have it that Ike picked up Tacha from the airport, a report we cannot yet authoritatively confirm, but then the image Ike shared on his Instagram story may suggest so. Ike has since deleted the story as mercenaries stormed his page unapologetically. Meanwhile, Omoni Temidayo Raphael, known professionally as Zlatan, is becoming a father soon. Zlatan took to his Twitter page to break the news to his numerous fans, where he wrote, "2020, nothing can stop me from becoming a father." The singer was asked why he has been avoiding fatherhood, and he said it was because he was broke and could not take up the liability. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, and hit the bell button to get notification when a new story drops. Thank you. See you guys.